Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to change the font size using the LW-PX350. Let's take a look. I already have the information that I want on my label typed in. And for this application, I have 2 lines of text, but the steps are going to be the same whether you have 1 line or multiple lines. So once you have your text typed in, we're going to go ahead and just hit the size button. It's right here. And you're just going to press it consecutively, and it's going to scroll through the different options. So with 2 lines of text, I have options to make 1 line bigger than the other, both lines the same. You'll see the different options. So go ahead and scroll through. And whenever you find the one that you want, go ahead and just stop on that one and it'll be applied to your label automatically. So once you've got the one you wanted, go ahead and push print. Oh, perfect. That was exactly what I was looking for. If you have questions on the LW-PX350 or want to chat about your labeling application, we would love to talk with you. Thanks again and happy labeling.